No one needs to know, but everyone will notice. A hair transplant is personal, and for many, it's also private. That's why so many men choose to have the surgery with me. I'm Dr. Mazhar Hussain. I'm a Scandinavian hair transplant surgeon with more than 20 years of experience. I provide age-appropriate, natural-looking results in a private setting. No sales gimmick, no shortcuts, no marketing, just sound medical advice and guidance. If you're ready for the next step, discreetly and professionally, then you can book a consultation at myhairclinic.ae or send us a message on WhatsApp. Quiet confidence begins here.